This 5-minute solution will show you how to send dice in Monopoly Go. Launch the Monopoly Go application. Tap on Friends. Select Add Friends and tap on Invite. Now select an option to invite your friends. Invite friends and get rewards when they join. Also, they will get rewards. And another way is tap on this menu icon at the top right. Tap on shop. And here you will get some dice packages. You can purchase any of them to send to your friends. So that's how we can send dice in Monopoly Go. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.